Picture this. You're stretched out on the couch after a long day, ready to finally watch that movie you've been looking forward to. But there's a catch. The movie file is sitting on your desktop computer, all the way upstairs in your home office. The thought of getting up, searching for a USB stick and transferring the file feels like a hassle you just don't need right now. But what if you didn't have to move at all? Imagine being able to grab that file instantly, right from your laptop, without any wires, USB drives, or complicated steps. Just a few clicks, and the file is right there, ready to play, no matter where you are in your house. Or maybe you're in the middle of building an epic Lego set, and all the digital instructions are saved on another computer. No worries. With this trick, you can pull up those instructions on your tablet, right next to you, without missing a beat. It's like having every file you need, wherever you need it, whenever you want. This isn't some futuristic fantasy or a feature reserved for tech wizards. It's called network file sharing, and believe it or not, your Windows computer is already equipped to do it. Right now, today. Forget about the old days of emailing files to yourself, digging through drawers for lost USB drives, or waiting for slow cloud uploads. Those workarounds are clunky and time-consuming. With just a few simple steps, you can set up your computer to share folders and files with any device in your home, laptops, tablets, even your phone. Suddenly, your entire digital world is connected, and your files are always within reach. Think of it as a magical, invisible shelf that stretches through every room in your house. Place a file on the shelf in your office, and pick it up in the kitchen, the living room, or even the backyard. It's seamless, instant, and feels almost like magic. Your home Wi-Fi isn't just for streaming and browsing. It becomes a superhighway for your files, zipping them from one device to another at lightning speed. No cables, no waiting, just pure convenience. And the best part? Setting it up is surprisingly easy. Once you've experienced the freedom of network file sharing, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. It's a game changer for productivity, entertainment, and everyday life. So, are you ready to unlock your computer's hidden superpower and make your digital life a whole lot easier? Let's dive in and see just how simple and magical this trick can be. Before we start, let's talk safety. Sharing files over a network is like opening a door on your computer. Only trusted people should get in. Only set this up on your secure, password-protected home Wi-Fi. Never do this on public Wi-Fi. Cafes, airports, or libraries are a no-go. Think of your home network as a private clubhouse with a secret handshake, your Wi-Fi password. Don't share that handshake with just anyone. We're building a private bridge, not a public highway. Keeping your digital life safe is the top priority. Promise you'll only do this at home, on your own network. If you find this guide helpful, hit subscribe for more tech tips. Safety chat over, let's get started. Time to connect your devices. Onward, let's get your computers on the same team. Make sure both are connected to the same Wi-Fi, your home network, not the neighbors. Next, enable network discovery so your computers can see each other. On the computer with the files, open the Start menu and type Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Under the private profile, turn on network discovery and file and printer sharing. Do the same on your other computer. Both devices should now be discoverable and ready to share files. Think of it as both sides agreeing to talk. Once you've done this, your computers are officially ready to connect. That's the groundwork. Now for the fun part. Let's share some folders. Ready? Now let's choose exactly what you want to share with others on your network. Sharing files and folders can be incredibly useful, but it's important to be selective and intentional about what you make available. Don't share your whole computer. Pick specific folders like movies, photos, or documents. This way you keep your private files safe and only share what's necessary. For example, you might want to share a folder of family photos or a collection of work documents, but keep your personal files private. On your host PC, right-click the folder you want to share. This could be any folder you've created or one that already exists on your desktop or in your documents. From the menu that pops up, select Give Access to or Share With, depending on your version of Windows. Then choose specific people to control exactly who can see your files. In the window that appears, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Everyone if you want anyone on your private home network to have access. Then click Add to include them in the list of people who can see the folder. Don't worry, Everyone here doesn't mean the whole internet. It only means people connected to your private home network, like family members or trusted roommates. Your files are not exposed to strangers online. Next, set the permission level for your shared folder. You can choose Read if you only want others to view the files, or Read Write if you want them to be able to add, change, or delete files in the folder. For most situations, Read is the safest option. This way, your files can be seen but not changed or deleted by others, keeping your data secure. Once you've set the permissions, click the Share button. Windows will confirm that your folder is now shared and ready to be accessed by others on your network. You'll see the network path displayed on your screen. Think of this as your digital shelf. This is the address others will use to find your shared folder. That's it. Your folder is now accessible from other devices connected to your home network, whether it's another computer, a laptop, or even a smart TV. Remember, you're always in control. You decide what's shared, who can access it, and you can stop sharing at any time. It's simple, secure, and gives you powerful control over your files. Now that your folder is shared, let's see how to access it from another computer on your network. Ready? Let's move on and connect. It's time to access your shared folder from another device. Whether you're at home or in the office, sharing files across multiple computers can be a breeze. On your second computer, open File Explorer. This is your gateway to accessing files stored on other devices within your network. In the navigation pane, click Network. This will display all the devices connected to your network, making it easy to find what you need. You'll see a list of computers on your network. Find your host PC. This is the computer where your shared files are stored. Double-click it to see the shared folders. These folders are like windows into the files you need, accessible with just a few clicks. Open your shared folder and browse its contents, just like any other folder. You can view, organize, and manage these files effortlessly. You can copy files, view them, or add new ones if you set read-write permissions. This flexibility allows you to work collaboratively or manage your files efficiently. If network discovery is fussy, type 2 backslashes and your host PC's name in the address bar. For example, desktop ABC 123. This direct approach can save time and hassle. You can even go straight to the folder by adding its name. For example, desktop ABC 123 awesome Lego pics. This is perfect for quick access to specific files. That's it. You're now a network file sharing wizard. With these skills, you can easily share and access files without any physical media. Seamless, fast, and no USB sticks required. This method is not only efficient, but also environmentally friendly. Let's talk about what you can do with this power. From collaborating on projects to sharing family photos, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the convenience and connectivity of network file sharing today. So what's the big deal? You've just built your own personal media server. Stream movies, music, or TV shows from your main PC to any device in the house. Free up space on your laptop or tablet by streaming instead of copying files. Share work folders for instant access during meetings or creative projects. No more emailing files to yourself, just open them directly. Give yourself read-write access to edit files from anywhere at home. Set up a shared backup folder to keep important documents safe. This one skill turns your devices into a connected, powerful system. Your digital life just got a major upgrade. Let's keep it secure. Security matters, even at home. Windows has a feature called password-protected sharing. When enabled, anyone accessing your shared folders must enter a valid username and password from your host PC. This keeps your files safe, even if someone else gets on your Wi-Fi. For simplicity, many turn this off at home, but if you have housemates or want extra security, keep it on. To check, go to Change Advanced Sharing Settings, expand All Networks, and look for password-protected sharing. If you turn it on, make sure your host PC has a password set. It's a small step for a big boost in peace of mind. Choose the level of security that fits your home. Now let's troubleshoot common issues. Sometimes things don't work right away. If your shared folders don't show up, check your firewall. It might be blocking file sharing. Temporarily disable the firewall to test, but don't leave it off. Instead, add an exception for file and printer sharing. Make sure both computers are set to private network, not public. You can check this in your Wi-Fi settings. Set the network profile to private. If all else fails, restart both computers. Most sharing issues are fixed by checking the firewall, network profile, or a simple reboot. Patience pays off. Your computers will eventually cooperate. Don't give up if it's not instant. Troubleshooting is part of the process. Soon your devices will be sharing like best friends. Let's recap what you've learned. You did it. You've unlocked a powerful feature of your Windows PC. No more USB sticks or emailing files, just seamless, networked convenience. You linked your devices, making your digital life easier and more organized. We covered safety, enabling sharing, picking folders, setting permissions, and accessing files from anywhere at home. You learned how to troubleshoot and keep things secure. Start simple. Share a folder of photos or documents. Follow the steps and enjoy the freedom of accessing any file from any device. You've built a beautifully interconnected digital home. Use this power wisely and responsibly. Enjoy your new digital superpower. Well done. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. You've got this. See you next time. Cyber Network.